Imagine holding the ultimate power of a desktop computer in the palm of one hand. No bulk, no compromise, just pure, unadulterated performance. For years, the tech world has treated the iPad mini like a forgotten middle child. We've seen the Pro get the M-series chips, the Air get the redesigns, and the base model get the price cuts. But whispers from Cupertino are turning into a roar. The iPad mini 8 isn't just a refresh, it's a reckoning. Today, we are diving deep into everything we know, everything we suspect, and the secret reasons why Apple is about to turn the tablet market upside down. If you think you know what a small tablet can do, forget it. The game is changing. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The iPad mini has always occupied a strange, almost cult-like space in the Apple ecosystem. It's the device for pilots, for doctors, for gamers who find the iPhone too small and the iPad Pro too heavy. But for a long time, it felt like Apple was holding back. The jelly scrolling issues of the past and the older display technology felt like a bottleneck for a device that had so much potential. But with the iPad mini 8, the shackles are coming off. We are looking at a device that finally bridges the gap between portable and powerful in a way we've never seen before. Let's talk about the heart of the beast. The silicon. In the past, the mini would get a slightly detuned version of the latest iPhone chip. But the landscape has shifted. With the push for Apple Intelligence, the hardware requirements have skyrocketed. To run complex AI models locally on a device this small, you need serious thermal management and serious transistors. The rumors suggest a leap that will skip generations. We aren't just talking about a faster CPU, we're talking about a neural engine capable of billions of operations per second, tucked into a chassis that fits in a cargo pocket. This isn't just about opening apps faster, it's about real-time video rendering, advanced generative AI, and AAA gaming on the go. But what good is all that power if the window to your digital world is lackluster? This is where the iPad mini 8 is expected to make its biggest statement. For years, users have begged for ProMotion. The 120Hz refresh rate makes every scroll feel like silk and every interaction feels instant. While Apple has traditionally kept ProMotion as a Pro-exclusive feature, the competition from foldable phones and high-end Android tablets is forcing their hand. Imagine the mini with an OLED panel. Deep blacks, infinite contrast, and a brightness level that makes outdoor use a breeze. It's the dream of every digital artist and media consumer. When you combine that with a redesigned display controller to eliminate the scrolling artifacts of the past, you have the perfect canvas. Design-wise, Apple follows the "if it isn't broken, don't fix it" mantra, but with a twist. We are expecting thinner bezels, a more refined aluminum finish, and perhaps most importantly, a move toward even better thermal efficiency. The Mini has always struggled with heat because of its small surface area. The iPad mini 8 is rumored to utilize a new internal layout, potentially using graphene or advanced vapor chambers to keep that high-end chip running at peak performance without throttling. This is huge for the gaming community. If you can play a game like Resident Evil or Death Stranding on a device this size without it becoming a handwarmer after 10 minutes, Apple has won. And then there's the question of the Apple Pencil. The iPad mini is arguably the best digital notebook ever created. It's the